Ever pondered why open source software is pivotal in shaping today's tech world? Well, let's delve a bit deeper into this fascinating topic. Open source software, at its core, is a platform where the source code is freely accessible to anyone. This freedom paves the way for an environment of collaboration and innovation that is second to none. Just imagine a global community of brilliant minds working together, tweaking, improving, and building upon each other's work. This collective intelligence is what drives the rapid advancements we see in the tech world today. From the operating systems powering our devices to the web servers hosting our favorite sites, open source software is the unsung hero behind the scenes. Furthermore, this isn't just about creating better software. It's about fostering a culture of transparency, knowledge sharing, and mutual growth. Open source software is the embodiment of these values. So the question isn't why open source software is important, it's how could the world function without it? Open source software didn't just appear overnight. It has an intriguing history that shaped its present. The journey of open source software began in the academic world of the 1960s and 70s. Here, the sharing of software code was common practice, as scholars believed in the collective advancement of knowledge. However, the commercialization of software in the late 70s challenged this openness, leading to the birth of proprietary software. This shift didn't sit well with everyone. One individual in particular, Richard Stallman, a programmer at MIT, was deeply bothered by this. He envisioned a world where software was free, not in terms of cost, but in terms of the freedom to use, study, modify, and distribute it. In the mid-80s, Stallman launched the GNU project with the aim of creating a completely free operating system. This was a critical milestone in open source history. However, the project was incomplete without a vital component, the kernel. Enter Linus Torvalds, a Finnish computer science student who in the early 90s created Linux, a free and open source kernel. When paired with the